Hi, my name is Alex. So yesterday we made a YouTube video about unboxing this Tornado V3. It turns really good. I got a new PB with it, which is 17 seconds. It's amazing. Way too good. So today we're gonna get the lubes, test it on my main Pyramix and my backup main on this 2x2. This is the GAN Pyramix and the GAN 249V2. Remember that video that I uploaded about unboxing this guy? And then this is my lube collection in this bag. You see I have all the lubes and some tensioning tools for the tornadoes. So this is called Wave 5 and Tornado Lube. Today's gonna be sciencey-rific. Cute. Okay, I think I just like grab it out. There we go. Okay, so these actually turn really good. Never mind. Same as this one. This actually used to be my main until I got that GAN 251M. So our first cube we're gonna test with the Wave 5. Oh, I forgot to unbox this guy. So satisfying. Oh my god! Okay, now we're gonna unbox it. Oh shoot. Sorry guys, I had to... This is like so slippery. So, first of all I'm gonna figure out how to hold this thing, which I already did. These fingers are actually really tight. So we're gonna do this satisfying thing again. And then we're gonna use the lubes first. So we're gonna use the Tornado Lube on the 2x2, and we're gonna use the Max Free. Why am I keep on saying Max Free instead of Wave 5 on this guy? So first we're gonna start with the Wave 5.
10 minutes later.
So now I have my stuff. That was a big problem. We had to like literally rewatch the video, and it turns out it was actually in this box in the corner. Satisfying moment. Woo! So we're gonna insert it in. Okay, now we're gonna insert it the Max Wave 5. Oh no, it's already coming out. As you can see, that gooey stuff in there, that's so sciencey. So we're gonna put some. I think I might have to clean this. It's so disgusting. So then, I'm gonna take this off. So disgusting. Last time I lose it, so I'm gonna keep track of it like really well. So. Now it's time for. So now we're gonna do the Tornado Lube. This is like basically the same thing, but a different. So we're gonna put this in this guy. Okay. As you can see, it's really sticky. So then we're gonna do a time solve, and I'm really fast with them, so this video is gonna end fast. I'm very sorry. It's actually so good. No cheaters. Why isn't it on? "7 seconds, and now for this one. tips, no cheating. Oofa. "22 seconds." So please like and subscribe this video, and tell me in the comments what loop should we do next.